Where am I?
Not sure what to do here. Hello, green dude. Do you know where I am? Nice to meet you.
Noted. Green dudes are not friendly.
So I can pick things up and I can place them back down.
Hello, pig. Where are you going? So that's how you get wood.
I can use this wood to craft stuff. Whoa, let's make a crafting table. Let's see what I can craft. A stick, a sword, and a pickaxe. Oh man, I'm hungry. Quack! I'm hungry, but I need something to cook this. It's a cave. Maybe this is what my pickaxe is for. I can probably use this to craft, just as the wood. Now, is there anything else here? Cool. Now I can cook my chicken. Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Steve. Today I'll be making some roast chicken. First we add the coal. We let it light the furnace. Then we add the chicken. You should wait a little bit to let it cook. Use a utensil to grab the chicken so you don't burn yourself. Now look at this juicy, delicious, golden brown piece of chicken. Time to take a bite. Oh, that's still hot. I think I burnt myself. Yeah, you should probably wait to let it cool before eating it. I need to make a torch to stay warm. I'm lonely, but it's time to go to bed. I'll find a friend in the morning.
Night has fallen. It's time to go to the surface.